Hey there guys, Candice from Crema Coffee Garage here. Today we're serving up 5 of Crema's favourite awesome alternate brewing methods that will give you all the caffeine feels without having to break the bank. Let's jump into it. Here at Crema, we get asked all the time, what is the best alternate coffee maker for home use? The term alternate brewing can be confusing for those not in the coffee industry, so to break it down for you guys, alternate brewing quite literally means alternate or different methods of making coffee other than that with an espresso machine. So let's take a look at our number 5 bestsellers, starting with a classic French press. French press, though appearing simple and unassuming in nature, produces a rich, full-bodied brew with a medium body mouthfeel that never disappoints. Bean to cup, we're looking at only 5 minutes, and you can simply enjoy it black, or you can add a splash of your favourite milk. Today, there are more brands than ever producing French press models in many different shapes and styles. At Crema, we stock a high-quality range of French press coffee makers, with plenty of price ranges to suit every budget. You can even use the French press to help you make a barista-worthy latte or cappuccino in your own home. The French press coffee pot is all about minimal effort. It only takes a few steps and it only requires a few items. It's simple, easy, delicious, unbeatable. Next up, Aeropress. Without a doubt, one of the most popular coffee makers across the board these days is the Aeropress. It has become so popular around the world that there is now even an Aeropress World Championship. So they've got to be doing something right. It's extremely easy to use and even quicker to clean, so you can enjoy a low acidity, rich flavoured coffee with no fuss and very little mess. Bean to cup, we are talking only 3 to 4 minutes, and its immense versatility means that you can produce a range of brews that will suit all coffee tastes. An inexpensive, lightweight hand press to brew the perfect coffee wherever you may go. How could you pass that up? Next up, we have cold brew. Cold brewing is a great option when it comes to making super smooth coffee in large batches for very minimal effort. While she may be our longest bean to cup production, where cold brew really shines is in its versatility and longevity. Lasting up to 2 weeks in the fridge, you can drink it straight, on the rock style if you prefer, or you can top it with filtered water and/or your choice of milk. The best part, you can even drink it hot. Coming into winter, we know a lot of folks might dismiss this brewing method as a summer-only option, but we tend to disagree. To drink it hot, you simply heat your cold brew for a short period of time in the microwave and then top with hot water from your kettle or add milk if you prefer. Our favourite cold brew setups include the Toddy cold brew system and the Mizudashi coffee pot. Producing coffee that is roughly 70% less acidic than espresso, it makes it taste a little bit sweeter and therefore it goes down ultra smooth. Next up, Stovetop. The Stovetop espresso maker continues to fly off our shelves year after year. Separate from the previously mentioned alternate brewing methods, the Stovetop produces a creamy, rich quality espresso-like coffee. It is for this reason that it has become one of the most popular espresso machine alternatives for a great portion of its well over 100-year existence. Adapted throughout time, the Stovetop is available in a number of designs to suit a great range of heating elements, including gas, electric, and even induction. The beauty of the Stovetop lies in its simplicity. With a 5-minute bean to cup turnaround, it is ridiculously easy to use, and you can enjoy it straight or with a splash of milk. With over 200 million units being manufactured worldwide, it's hard to argue with success. To finish up, the Flair Espresso Maker. Undoubtedly the baby of the alternate brewing group, Flair Espresso Makers have done nothing short of shake up the home brewing game in its just over 3-year existence. The only one of these 5 that can make a true espresso shot, its sleek modern design was constructed for durability and reliability. Made with premium aluminium and stainless steel parts, it also comes in a portable carry case, and it doesn't require electricity as it is a manual brewer. You can take it with you anywhere you go then. The Flair Espresso Maker goes beyond expectations by generating up to 16 bars of pressure, producing a full-flavoured, full-bodied and a creamy crema-topped espresso. No matter your coffee budget, there is definitely an alternative home brewer for you. Jump onto our website to find out more about these great products, and of course, if you like what you see, we can deliver it to your door anywhere in Australia. Don't forget to add on a kilo bag of freshly roasted Crema coffee beans to entitle you to free shipping also. Don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will allow you access to even more awesome coffee content. Don't forget to jump on those socials and spread some joy and love. Head over to the education section of our website to find some great alternate brewing guides and many more helpful articles. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy brewing and cheers.